What do you think of? Well, you probably think of a fun trip going someplace far away, and it's super fun. But what do you think of the environmental impact? Well, in reality, it's extremely harmful to our environment. Welcome back to CAA 69. Hello, I'm Alex, and today we have Cameron Crock to tell you all about the dangers of aviation emissions.
Thank you, Alex. Commercial aircraft is now the single largest greenhouse gas source after air travel grew an average of 9% from 1960 to 2000. Just to put aviation emissions into a perspective, a Boeing 767 that carries 180 passengers releases 1 ton of CO2 per passenger on a trip across the Atlantic. Also, the contrails from airplanes are such a big contributor to global warming, it is a big concern.
Why are contrails such a big deal? They look so small. Aren't they just clouds?
To our eyes, they look like normal clouds, but they are actually caused by aircrafts. They can be hundreds of miles long and over a mile in width. This is called a persistent contrail. They have a huge impact on us because they reflect infrared radiation back to Earth, therefore heating the Earth.
What do aviation emissions contain?
Jet emissions e- emits carbon dioxide, ozone, aerosol particles, water vapor, sulfur oxides, nitric oxides, and nitrogen dioxide.
Have aviation emissions decreased over the years?
Yes, but only after the Environmental Protection Agency took aim at regulating emissions from commercial aircraft in 2016. They clarified that it was, quote unquote, threatening our environment, impacting our health, and contributing to global warming.
Does noise pollution relate to aviation emissions?
Yes, it does. However, scientists are trying to reduce the amount of noise made by airliners by improving the engines. They have reduced the noise level by 20 to 30 dBs, which is the measurement of sound, since the first generation of jet airliners. A jet taking off from 25 meters away produces 150 dBs, and it only takes 85 dBs to be harmful.
Can noise pollution affect our health?
Yes, besides permanent ear damage, it can cause difficulty with communication with individuals, increased stress, and sleep problems. It does not only hurt us, but also our pets and even other wildlife.
So, how do we deal with these concerns?
Scientists are trying to find a way better and more efficient engines, and they're also looking for how to cut the routes of aircrafts.
Thank you so much for coming and informing our viewers about aviation emissions. Up next, why our sea levels are rising, and we have a special guest to tell you why and what we can do to stop it.